This is the HP DESKJET 1212. Now, I was in the market for a printer and I thought a lot about it, and many years and weeks and months passed by and I didn't have any printer. So I decided finally to call for a printer. This is a color printer. The maximum retail price is 2,358. And to get the latest price, you can probably check out the link in the description. I'll probably have an Amazon link with the newest pricing. As you can see, it connects via a USB port, and it'll be interesting to see how this works with a Macbook. So stay tuned, guys. I'm going to unbox this and hopefully successfully set this up. So you get the printer, you get this cable, plugs into the printer, and this goes into the USB socket, a power cord. You have the color printer cartridge. It says setup tri-color cartridge, and here you have the black and white cartridge that will focus. Now, in terms of manuals, you get a little picture manual which shows you how to set this up. You get a little manual. I don't think we'll be reading any of this. And then you get this cartridge, I don't know, disclaimer, some other disclaimer about hazards and all that, which are compliances. But the main thing is that make sure if you're buying this is completely sealed, and it has something in Chinese written right here. Let's set it up without further ado. Luckily for me, I have. So guys, I had to plug it in to install the cartridges. On the left hand side we will put the color cartridge, and on the right hand side I'll put the black cartridge. Let's see how difficult this is. This is the color cartridge. I'm gonna try to do this with one hand. I know it's a bit of a brave thing, but let's see if it sticks on. Maybe not like this. Wait. Maybe it goes, oops, maybe it goes this way. I don't know. Not really. Maybe it goes this way. Okay, maybe that's a fit. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, that makes sense. There's a graphic here to tell you the way to put it. Okay, looks like both have been installed. That seemed too simple to be true. By the way, this is a very light printer so far, and there is some things happening here, but I won't try to explain what it is because I'm no printer expert. All I did was I switched it on, and this is the flap. That's your printer. Now let's see how this was the easy part. Let's see how difficult it's going to be to set. Now comes the difficult part, which would be a handshake with my MacBook. Let's see how that goes. I've put this here because the cord is kind of short, and so I've put this table here, which is fine. I think it looks good. What do you guys think? Be right back. So guys, this is the USB slot on the printer on the left. I've plugged that in and it's gone to my MacBook. Okay, now let's see how difficult it is to install the software. I'm just going to see what happens if I don't install any HP software. Now I went to printers and scanners on my MacBook, and let's see if I click plus, if it allows me to add. It's giving me the option to add something without adding any kind of software. I'm just going to go with the flow. It says setting up DESKJET 1200 series. I can just click OK, and it says it's been set up. It says it's idle and last used, and wow. I can even share it on the network. I can open PrintQ. I googled HP's model number and Mac, and on the web page I found the driver. I'm just downloading it, and it started to download. It's a 9 MB file, so it'll be done in no time. And okay, it wasn't opening the application, so I had to press the command button and then open it because it was worrying about some kind of a, malicious software thing, yada yada. It's asking me to install some software. I have no choice but to agree. this is becoming a bit difficult. Let's see if I manage to do this in the next 5 minutes like I want to, because I've been at this for 15 minutes and I get impatient, man. Okay, I followed all the instructions on the screen. I used the HP driver. It's asking me to now print a test page. I'm really annoyed by the warnings Apple is going on giving me. My God, man. Like, let us use a printer, for God's sake. It's so annoying. I'm going to try to print this again. Let's see if it works. It's doing something. It's trying to print a test page. Still not doing anything. It says printing, but it's not printing. Okay guys, it still says it's printing, but nothing is happening here. This is flashing. I'm confused. So, if it's blinking, it means the printer is processing a job. If it's fast blinking, it means there's an error. And if it's dim, it indicates the printer is in a sleep mode. This sleep mode usually happens after 5 minutes of inactivity. Now I'm still waiting, I guess. Okay, I'm in Safari now. I'm giving the printer command. It's showing me my printer. And I'm just gonna print one page and see if this works. Wish me good luck. I click print. The 1200 series, it shows ready to print. I'm waiting to hear a sound from my printer to show me it's doing something. I look here, it's now fast blinking, which means the printer is in error state. This is an inkjet printer, so the color printouts will be very slow, like this one is being very slow. However, the good news is that for the price this is selling, I don't think it's a bad deal so far, considering it comes with 2 cartridges. Just make sure you close this door and don't do the dumb thing I did. This door was open. This has to be closed so it looks a bit classic. Okay. I think it'll just take a few minutes more. Okay guys, I'm gonna now print quickly. I don't want to keep you guys for too long. I know you guys are like, how long is this guy gonna go on with this review? So I downloaded this thing, okay? And I just want to print it in black and white because I want to have this photograph of a first page of a certain book up on my wall. So let's see if I can print this. Okay. Is it gonna let me print it? Okay. Now I don't want to do this in color, man. I'm not a color printout guy. Keeps showing me that error, but I'm trying to print in black and white. I hope it's a bit faster. Oh, perfect, man. This is just what I wanted. So that's what you have. That's one of my favorite books. The first page of one of my favorite books. Came out rather well, man. Won't you say? I'm happy now, guys. Now, just before you guys go, just want to show you something interesting. Now, I think the level of the printer has already fallen a bit. So if I go to, my God, there's so many applications open right now, I'm confused. If I go to that HP utility app, we'll be able to see the level of, the printer, the level of the ink, and it's fallen substantially. So if you're going to be doing a lot of color printouts, I suggest you don't do that. If you have kids at home, please make sure you check them out, because the supply status, as you remember, this was on top, and just after these 2 color printouts, it has fallen. So, just be mindful of the fact that you don't have to always print in color. Try to use black and white unless you really have to print in color. But the way this is going, I don't think I'll get more than 20-30 color pages, which is not a deal breaker for me. I can live with that because I anyways like to print in black and white. All right, guys, that was a quick first impression and review of the HP DESKJET 1212. I won't be making a follow-up video on this. Now that I have it set up, I think it's much easier. Please know that I did restart my computer once. Even in Macbook, it is advisable to do it, and I'm happy. So again, when you print on MacBook, you can choose the option of draft black and white. If you choose best, it is going to take your color, and I can save current settings as preset. Okay, and it's done. I like this printer. For the price, it's pretty good. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Bye.